What's up guys, Adam here to give you just a little bit of help with Adobe After Effects. If you're a beginning content creator like I am, opening programs such as After Effects, Premiere, Photoshop can be incredibly overwhelming with all the different options they have. So today, I wanted to discuss how to use the Saber effect along with your text in After Effects. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. I would very much appreciate it. It would help me out greatly. First thing we'll need to do before we get started is download the Saber plugin for After Effects. I have left a link down in the description below, so just go to the website, download the plugin, install it as normal, and then we can get started. And now that we're ready to go ahead and open up your After Effects. All right, so go ahead and click on New Project, click on New Composition. At the top here, go ahead and give it a name. I'll call mine Effects. So mine's set to 1920 by 1080, 60 frames per second. That's usually what I do any of my videos in. And when you're done with that, just go ahead and click OK. Background color, whatever color you want, it's going to end up being transparent anyways. So go ahead and click OK. And if yours, depending on how your After Effects is set up, how you already have it configured, you're either going to get a transparent background or a black background. The transparency button is right down here, toggle transparency grid. So if you do have a colored background, if you click that, it'll make your background transparent. So we'll actually be able to use this. All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is go into the upper left-hand corner to your toolbar here, click on the text tool. Click on your canvas to start typing, and then just type in whatever it is you want to type out. And then on the right hand side, you'll notice that you have all your options for your font size, all that good stuff. On the bottom left hand corner here, you have your layers. Right click on it, go up to create, and slide over, click on create masks from text. And then on the right hand side, click on your effects and presets tab. Type Saber into the search bar, and you'll notice Saber comes in underneath Copilot. So just drag Saber on top of your text, and you'll notice that the Saber pops up on your screen. On the left hand side, you'll have all your customizable options for your effect. Click on Customize Core, drop that down. On core type, change it from Saber to layer masks. That'll put the effect over your text. You'll have a whole bunch of different options here on changing the radius, all kinds of different glow options and everything like that. We're not gonna mess with that in this video here. On the very top, you'll notice presets. If you click on that tab, you'll have a drop down that gives you a whole bunch of different presets you can do. I really like the Patronus one, so that's the one I'm gonna use for this. I'm gonna change the glow intensity to 20%. And also what I want this effect to do is I want it to gradually come in over 4 seconds. So I'm gonna make sure that my slider here is all the way to the left. I'm gonna go to Start Offset, click on the little clock there. Under percentage, click on it, type in 100, hit enter. Then I'm gonna go to the 4 second mark. Click on the percentage again, 0, enter. And as you can see, over the first 4 seconds, it's gonna gradually come in. Now, if you're using this for OBS or anything like that, you're not gonna want it to be a very long effect. So for mine, I typically do about 10 seconds. So I'm gonna move the slider over to the 10-second mark, hit the N key, and that's going to drop it down to 10 seconds. Now the last thing you're going to want to do is go over to your effect settings on the left, drop down the render menu. Under composite settings, change it from black to transparent. And then after that, go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. Your queue will show up at the bottom. For output module, you're going to click on lossless. Format, AVI is fine, leave it there. Channels, you're going to want to change it to RGB and alpha. Click OK. Output, click on effects.avi for wherever you want it to go. I'm just going to have mine go to the desktop, then click Save, And then we're going to hit the render button and let it do its thing. And if you wanted to add it to your OBS, just go down to your sources, click on plus, click on media source. Let's do create new. We're just going to go ahead and call it effect. Now make sure you hit loop, then browse. And desktop. Click on effect. Okay. And there it is. Now, of course, you can change the size of it. And you can put it wherever you want the effect to go. Thank you for checking out the video. I hope it helped at least a couple of people. I will be coming out with more how-to videos. Again, please subscribe, like the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you.